Tidbit. Go ahead and grab a mat, maybe even put another mat next to it as we're going to roll onto the side and then the belly, and then lay on your back in Pilates resting position, getting your breath. And we're going to put a rhythm. Here we go. Bridging up. 2, 3, 4. Bridging down. 2, 3, 4. Inhale up. 2, 3. Keep inhaling. Exhale. Articulate back to neutral. Again. Up. 2, 3, 4. Down, down, down. Last time. Up. 2, 3, 4. And down, down, down. Double knee fold. Right leg up. Left leg up. Switch to the right. Switch to the left. Pull the knees in, up 4, rock and roll, hold, balance, curl back, try, this is the trickiest part, to balance on your upper shoulder blades, rock to your balance, 4, curl back, try to rest on the shoulder blades, not the neck, and up, 2, 3, 4, again, back, this is where the control of Pilates comes in, and up, 2, 3, 1 more. That's right. Smile and breathe, releasing the shoulders all the way up. Plant the feet. Sit tall. Grab your thighs back. 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4. Exhale back. 2, 3. Gentle focus up to your sitting bones, up through the crown of the head. Again, back. 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, and back, 2, 3, 4, and up, up, this time all the way down and back, 2, 3, lengthen the legs, release the arms, 6, 7, 4, leg lift, up, 4, 2, and down, 4, 2, and point, 4, 2, and flex, 4, 2, inhale, up, exhale, down, doesn't matter which leg you start with, up, and down, now, up, flex, circle across the center, across, 4, 2, around, 4, 2, across, 4, 2, around, 4, 2, across, 4, 2, around, 4, 2, inhale, exhale, reverse. Can you flex more? Can you stabilize your pelvis by scooping more? And third time, out through the center. And fourth time, out and pause at the top. Hug the knee in. And lengthen, ready for the other side. And point. 4, 2, and flex, reach longer, try to touch your toenails on the ceiling, then reach the heel down, the wall up, and down, and up, and down. Now for leg circles up, flex the ankle, stand, and across the center, up, round, stable pelvis, easy neck, shoulders, it's okay to smile. Inhale and exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. Now reverse and out, across and out, across. 2 more. Can you flex more through that heel? And out, across, pausing at the top. Hug that knee in and give yourself a stretch. 2, 3, lengthen. And good, lift that left arm, roll onto your side. Here we go, double leg lifts, up, down, and up, and down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Other side, 6, 7, 8, and up, and down, and up, and down, and up, and down. Last time, and up, and down. Roll back to the other side, and up, and down, and up, and down, and up, and down, and up, and down. Last time, roll to the other side and squeeze those inner thighs up and down, and up, and down. Easy top, shoulder, easy neck, and breath. Now roll to your back, roll to your side, roll all the way to your belly. 6, long arms, 7, 8, and reach through your fingertips and up for swan prep. 1, and down, 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 and down. Switch the arms and little cobra to just the upper back. Lengthen down, 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 all the way up. To press down like you're doing a push up. Scoop that belly. Lengthen the arms as much as you can without crunching that back. Big smile, big breath, and then return to home. Back down, 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 and down. Roll onto your back. Take a few breaths and then start from the beginning. Do it again.